Hi everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel specialized in designing apps using MATLAB App Designer. In this video we are going to show you a new app that has the ability to re-express the input equation in different ways, such as simplify fraction, expand, collect, combine, factor, or even applying Horner method to polynomial equations. The input function can also be expressed by three subfunctions. For example, this is the input, capital U, which is a function of subfunctions f of x, g of x, and h of x. When you press on the express button, the output results here will be provided in both symbolic and LaTeX formats, which is highly big plus. Now, let's run the app to see how powerful it is. So this is our app. Let's come here and let's write anything in our mind. Anything. For example, let's say we have cosine or hyperbolic functions, okay, times cosine x squared plus tan x, okay, and here let's say we have this function square and this one is just empty, so it doesn't matter. So if it is f times j to the power 0.5, okay, or divided by this one, what will happen? It will be this one. If it is this one, this is the format. We can take it here and we will see the format in a professional way. Now let's say that here like this, and here we have also another function. Let's say it is exponential of sine x times this function close exponential, and let's say also here is this one and it is function of log function. Just make it very complex equation, and here let's say it is divided by h, then plus h times j square over f, and let's see the format. It will be like this. If it is expand, then it will be like this. Okay, so let's take it, not this one, this one. Let's take it and paste it here. So it will be like this. If we come here, select for example factor, it will be like this, copy and paste here, it will be like this. If it is simplify, then it will be like this. We can take it and paste it here, it will be like this. If we want to make it more complex, then we can also say here it is, for example, square root of x, here for example to the power okay, cotan to the power cosine x square, here is exponential times, for example, log x times cosecant x minus this one. Here we need also bracket. Okay, so we can see the expression here. We can take it as simplified. We can see it like this. We can make it bigger and we can expand it if we want. We can expand it. It will be like this. We can also make it bigger. can select all, copy and paste here. It will be like this. Make it, for example, Horner. It will be like this. Make it, for example, simplify fraction. It will be like this. So we need to decrease the font size. It will be like this. It is very hard, actually. If someone works with LaTeX format, he or she will know that these things are highly complex and it is time-consuming process. By this app, it is just instantaneous. You will get these results by just pressing on this button and you will get everything. You can express any equation in your mind. So if you want this app as an entire project, all these files, or if you want it as an applications in MATLAB as installer, you can download it from the links provided below. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to see more apps designed by MATLAB App Designer. Goodbye.